Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn English with DS. Hope everyone is doing well. Today we have again brought the tenses in our video. In today's video, we are going to see the continuous tenses. So without delay, let's get started. First, we shall start with present continuous tense. The structure of the present continuous tense is subject plus helping verbs plus main verbs plus ing. The helping verbs we use in present continuous tense are am, is, are. Am is used with the subject I. Is used with the subject he, she, it and other singular subjects. Are is used with we, you, they and other plural subjects. Now we shall see the usage of present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense for things that are happening at the moment of speaking. Those actions are not completed when we are talking about them. For example, I am watching television. I started the action in the past but it is still continuing. Okay, I am watching television. Geeta is writing a story. They are not listening. They are not listening. What are you doing? What are you doing? Is she climbing the tree? Is she climbing the tree? We can also use the present continuous tense for other kinds of temporary situations. For example, I am reading a great book. I am reading a great book. Though I am not reading at the moment, I have started reading, so I can say like this. She is staying with her friend for a week. She is staying with her friend for a week. This is a temporary situation. It is not a permanent one. To talk about permanent situations, we use simple present tense. For temporary situations, we use present continuous tense. For example, I work in school. It is in simple present tense. I work in school. It is a permanent situation. And I am working in a school. I am working in a school. It is in present continuous tense. It means I am working now and I may leave the school anytime. So it is not a permanent one. So I use present continuous tense here. We can use the present continuous tense for temporary or new habits. We often use this with expressions like these days or at the moment. For example, he is eating a lot these days. He is eating a lot these days. She is swimming every morning. She is swimming every morning. And also, we use present continuous tense for definite future arrangements. That is, we have already made a plan and we are pretty sure that the event will happen in the future. We have already made a plan and it will happen for sure in the future. Those kind of situations we can use present continuous tense. For example, I am meeting my father tomorrow. I am meeting my father tomorrow. Still, the action is going to happen in the future. It is a plan, so it will not change. So here we can use present continuous tense. Another example is she is leaving at 3. She is leaving at 3. The next tense we are going to see is past continuous tense. The structure of the past continuous tense is subject plus auxiliary verb plus ing. The auxiliary verbs or helping verbs we use in past continuous tense are was and were. Was is used with I, he, she, it, and other singular subjects. Where is used with we, you, they, and other plural subjects. Now we shall see the usage of past continuous tense. The action in the past continuous tense starts before and often continues after the other past action or time. For example, I was walking to the station when I met John. I was walking to the station when I met John. The action had already been started. That is, I started walking before I met John. Okay. And I am still continuing it. So, we use past continuous tense there. The action had already been started and also continued in the past when the other shorter past action took place. At 3 o'clock I was working. At 3 o'clock in the past I was working. At a particular time in the past the action was continued. To talk about the temporary habits that we had in the past, we use past continuous tense. For example, he was always leaving the tap running. He was always leaving the tap running. She was constantly singing. She was constantly singing. These actions are not happening now. It was happened in the past. The habit we had in the past. We use past continuous tense to emphasize something that lasted for a while. We usually use it with time expressions like all day, all evening, for hours. For example, I was working in the garden all day. I was working in the garden all day. It means the whole day I was working in the garden. They were reading all evening. They were reading all evening. It means they were reading the whole evening. The last one we are going to see is future continuous tense. The structure of the future continuous tense is subject plus will be plus verb plus ing. Subject plus will be plus verb plus ing. We use future continuous tense to talk about the actions that continues at a particular time in the future. For example, at 8 o'clock I will be eating dinner. At 8 o'clock I will be eating dinner. This is a future time. At particular time the action will be continuing. I will be waiting when you arrive. I will be waiting when you arrive. That's it with today's video. Hope everyone find it useful and clear. Frame your own sentences on these tenses and post it in the comment section. If you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Meet you all in another useful video. Until then, stay safe, stay connected. Bye.